your host, Ruth Aguiloso. If this is your first time here, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Oh, and hit the notification bell. That way you'll know whenever I upload a new video, which is twice a week. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back and supporting this channel. I really appreciate it. Please go ahead and like, share, do all those wonderful things. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you about a new program from Acorns, that investment platform that I like to talk about. If you haven't heard me talk about them before, please go ahead and watch the video in which I review Acorns, and it's going to be linked either here or here. I never know. All right, so go ahead and take a look at that after you're done with this if you want to get some more information about them. In today's video, I'm not only going to tell you about them, but I'm actually going to show you on my screen their platform so that you can have an idea of how it works, what it looks like. Also, the link to sign up is in the description. So go ahead and click the link and sign up if this is something that interests you. Oh, and don't forget to like this video and share it. That is very important. It doesn't cost you anything, and it really helps this channel. So let's get right into it. The Acorns Early program is one of the most recent ones. And it's been around for just a little while now. It's a great opportunity to get your children started with investing. It's a custodial account because, as you know, children are too young to sign up for accounts on their own, so you have to do it for them. So it's a great way that they can save up money towards college, towards big purchases, and you know what? I would dare say that they can even save up towards their own retirement, and that is a whole other topic that I address in other videos, but it's a really good start for them. Now, just imagine if your parents had started you off in investing when you were just, like, say, 6 years old. How much money would you have today? Maybe $1 million? I don't know. I don't know how old you are, but I know that it would really help me if my parents had started me off at 6 years old. So why not give your children a jump start, especially during this holiday season? It's a great gift that will just keep on giving and keep on giving. And as you know, with Acorns, you can start with a very small amount. You don't have to start with a huge lump sum, and you don't have to invest a huge lump sum. But for the low price of $5 a month, you can get access to all of their programs. It's a really great investment being a part of Acorns' family of programs. As you can see, I've gone ahead and signed in to my account. It says, "Good evening, Ruth." So what I'm going to do next is just show you the little tutorial. I'm going to click on Early for Kids. Invest early for their future. Open an investment account for kids in under 3 minutes. Set and customize automatic recurring investments. Get exclusive financial literacy content, which I really love. I love when platforms share a lot of information about financial literacy because guess what? A lot of people just really don't understand the whole thing. So it really helps the more help they get. We're going to take the tour. So again, open up the account in less than 3 minutes. A boost from birth. So this is something that you can get started for your child at birth. Don't worry if you missed that point and they're a lot older. It's not too late, but this is a great start. And this account is a UTMA/UGMA account, Uniform Transfer to Minors Act and Uniform Gift to Minors Act. So they can easily be transferred when the child's a grown-up. So that is a wonderful thing to know. The nuts and bolts. Early is separate from your investment account, and the money can be used for college, but it doesn't have to be. And that is good to know because not everybody is going to go to college. So you really don't want their money to be tied up. And if they're not able to go to college or choose not to go to college, then they'll have difficulty or won't even be able to access their money. I hope this has been helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do come back again. And remember, change your mind, change your pocketbook.